Hello children, how are you all? Today our GK turn and your GK ma'am is with you. Children, today in our GK class we have very interesting topic and this is Fizzy Facts. Okay, so children, first of all, take out your GK book and open page number 24. Okay, so children, as we know, there are different types of fish and they live in pond, rivers, seas, and ocean, and we all love to know about them. So today we will know some of them. So let's start. Children, here you can see the picture of a fish. Okay, and this is very different fish, and you can see a light on its head. Okay, this is the specialty of this fish. The name of this fish is angler fish. Okay, and angler fish has a piece of skin over its head, as you can see, which has a light at the end of it. Okay, and this light is useful for attracting prey. So children, anglerfish use its light to search its food. Prey means food. Okay, so come to the next. Children, here you can see one more fish and its color is blue and silver. It looks very beautiful, but one thing is very different in this fish. You can see a very long snout. Okay, it has a very long snout and it is very sharp also, and it looks like a salt. Salt means talwar. So its name is swordfish. Okay, swordfish have a thin and long snout, as you can see, and that they use to make their way groups of other fishes. As we know, in ocean, in seas, many fishes are fish lives, but in them, in their groups, swordfish takes help of its salt to make the way. Okay, so swordfish do not have scales like other fishes. Scales means some a small plates. Okay, small plates. As you can see, most of the fishes has this plates on its body, and when you draw a fish, you also draw this scales, but saltfish has no scales, है ना? So this is the specialty of this fish, and they have blue and silver color bodies, as you can see. Okay, now come to the next. So children, here you can see a picture of a fish. Its color is very vibrant. Okay, and its vibrant colors, its name is parrotfish. As parrot has a very vibrant color, green, blue, red, the same as this fish also has, so its name is parrotfish. Okay, parrotfish have multicolored bodies. They have beaks similar to bird's beak, as you can see here, the mouth of this fish. Okay, and it looks like beaks as the birds have. So they use their beaks to scrape off food from oral surfaces. Okay, now here the one more fish, and you can see it has wings like birds, as the birds have wings same as this fish also have. So its name is flying fish, and it can be fly. Okay, generally we see fins, but its fins looks like wings, so it called flying fish. A flying fish can glide through the air for long distances with the help of its wing like fins. Okay, it leaves the water when it is pursued by enemies. Okay, when any enemy pursued it, it leaves the water and can be glide through the air. Okay, now here this is flat fish. Okay, you can see the picture of flat fish. And the flat fish has both its eyes on one side of its head. Children, when you draw the picture of fish, you make two sides, one left and second right side, and it has eyes both side, left side, one eye at the left side and one at the right side. But flatfish has both eyes on one side. Okay, they can be found resting on the bottom with their eyes facing upwards looking for prey. Okay, generally it swims no more and always looks upward for the search of its food. Prey means food. Okay, now here this is electric ray fish. Okay, this is electric ray fish. The electric ray is circular in shape. They have the ability to stun animals that are much larger than them. Okay, and the speciality of this fish is when any stun animal touch it, it give them short. As we touch any electric wire, we feel, okay, the same as such as human beings by delivering electric shocks. Okay, sawfish. Now the next is sawfish fish. So in this picture you can see this fish has a long snout and it looks like saw. Saw means ari, and you can see it in the carpenter shop, and they use it to cut the wood. Okay, and it's its snout is also look like a saw, so its name is sawfish. The sawfish has a long snout that looks like a saw. That snout helps the fish dig the ocean floor for food. Okay, children, I hope you all have enjoyed this chapter very much, and in your book you read it very carefully and try to know more about some more fishes. Okay, and you all complete your exercise. Okay, children, so thank you and goodbye. Take care, children.